So this video is going to show the flat pack assembly process, the easiest process that we know. First thing you're going to want to do is identify all your pieces: front, rear, top, bottom, left, right, and port. Peel the plastic off of the port. You're going to leave all the plastic on the rest of them until this thing is completely built and finished. What I'm going to do is grab the left side, give it a little wipe with the brand new microfiber just to make sure.
Straight edge back.
Grab the right hand side.
Alright, we're gonna do the front next.
Together like a little puzzle.
The top on.
Now this thing can be just snapped together with no kind of bonding and it'll stay together. But if you plan on making the speakers move, you might want to bond it. If it's just for a display, you might not need to do this, but if you hook this thing up to any kind of power, you'll probably want to bond it, and this is what we use.
Next step, we're gonna get this thing glued together, but we're gonna leave the bottom and the rear pieces off. It's a lot easier to get to these areas while it's open. Now we're going to go ahead and smack the rear piece on. We're going to go ahead and glue the rear on while the bottom's off so we can get to these corners a little bit easier. All right, and the last piece is the bottom. Make sure your flat cut port side is towards the front. We're going to go ahead and glue the bottom piece on, and it's almost impossible to get the applicator all the way down through the port to glue this back side. So what I found is easiest for me is I'm going to go ahead and put the applicator on the edge right here and just let the bead run its way down, and it's going to, with the gravity, it's just going to run its way down and fill all these voids in. So I'm still squeezing it, and I see it hit the corner. I can see it going all the way down the corner. So it's in that corner.
Yep.
And now it's down there in that corner. Give a little squeeze.
Done.
That's that.
Next, grab your bag of goodies here, your hardware. Little spare piece of wire is included. Now you don't need to do this step if you don't want to, because the speaker wires should reach, but there's a little bit of extra wire if you think you might need it. So take either your speaker wire or your included extension wire and crimp it onto the ring terminals. There you go. Now your new SMD sub up port back mini box for the 2-inch B2 audio subs is finished. Enjoy.